So we built some bunk beds in here. We've got two queens down below and twins up top. And it was all made out of homemade with just 2x6s and different lumber that we had available. We used some steel pipe from one of the box stores to make some railings. But the one thing I didn't want to do, I didn't want to make my own ladder. It's a lot of work with these steel pipe fittings if you try to do that. So I was able to find this steel ladder complete. It's a 72-inch version here. This thing has got very nice powder coating. All the welds and everything are sanded really well, so it's completely smooth, powder coated and painted. It's just ready to go. I just set it up here against my bunk. It's the right height for me. I needed the tallest one that they sold, which was 72 inches. It's got different kind of attachments here. I just pinned them down to my board here, nice and sturdy. And you have other options. There's different screw holes in the back where you can adjust where these hooks go. If you've got a library or some other thing, maybe your RV, and you want to hook this up and out of the way, you can do that. And then down at the bottom, you've got angled feet here. So if you set the angle just right, then this makes it very comfortable to climb. Sometimes ladders can be too straight, and for an adult, it's just hard to climb up. But by putting it on a slight angle here, it's maybe 15 degrees or so, it makes it real easy to climb up and into the bunks. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful to see a little bit more about this 72-inch ladder. And I hope this information was helpful to you. And as always, I hope you have a great day.